Hey everyone, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. Welcome to my Flying Wheels YouTube channel. Thanks for checking it out. Make sure to hit subscribe down below if this video is at all helpful or informative for you. So today I'm in a 2010 Ford F150. This problem goes from 2009 all the way up to 2014. I buy a ton of these trucks, and 8 out of 10 times I have to replace this part when it has 140,000 or so miles. Now I live in the Northeast, so we're pretty rust prone. We use a lot of salt. But most likely this is happening in other areas too. So you think you have a power steering problem. You might think it's the power steering pump, you might think it's the power steering rack. I want you to check one other thing prior to going after replacing the pump or the rack. I've had this in the past before I really knew the problem, where I suggested to my customers coming in, oh, it might be your pump or it's your rack. Before you even go that way, I want to show you something real quick. So come over here. It's a little dark, so it's going to be near difficult to see. But if you stick your face in over the driver wheel, look over the strut tower, you're going to see an intermediate steering shaft. So it looks like this. It's right in there, but if you pull the camera up here, it looks just like this. This is your intermediate steering shaft. You'll see what happens. I physically cannot move this thing. So as you turn your steering wheel, this moves, and so does this, and so does this. Well, this one barely moves. You can see there's a lot of friction in there. This one, not one single bit. So your parts store will carry this item. My parts store, even with an account, was still about $280 for the intermediate steering shaft. I got it online for, I think, $84. So you can get them online, and then with Amazon Shipping Prime, it's 2-day shipping. So I got this by the time I was ready to work on the truck. The part was already here. I just want to show you the difference. So you'll see this and this, how mobile everything is, versus that right there. So we're talking a $90 part that took us about an hour and a half to replace. This isn't a how to replace this video. I just want to show you most likely what it's going to be. It's your intermediate steering shaft. You can see it extends in and out. This part is well worth replacing prior to doing your pump or your rack. Try it out. I'm sure you can find 1,000 other videos on how to replace it, but I want you to check this first. Look right through your wheel, make sure that is what it is. If it looks rusty, if it looks old, replace it first. You're welcome. Hopefully I saved you a ton of time and a ton of money. If I did, do me a favor, hit subscribe down below. You can hit the little bell too. You get notifications on all our other car-related videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.